Hi
Hi
guys!
guys!
Hi, I'm Juliana.
I Lebron.
Lebron.
Hi, I'm Lebron. I Adrian and Lebron. Hi, my name is Lian.
Today, we're going sometimes. We're opening this at the end.
Now, we should open that first.
Yeah, because we're gonna eat this. So, nakatayo kami ang layo-layo kasi nahigaan.
Uy! First?
Guys,
SMR! SMR!
Ibig sabihin mo na daw. Sige, mamaya.
No. And me
Clean.
Yep, we need to clean our hand before.
So, after that, we're punasing our hand with this. This is clean, guys, okay?
Yep, don't worry, it's clean. No. Now we're gonna put some alcohol.
What the? Are you vexatious?
Yeah, we need that because this is dirty.
So,
Kasi
and
galing siya
leave
sa
a
labas.
wait lang guys, wait lang. Leave a comment. You want us to give you some unboxing? Obviously, fake order fish. We have some
Loan cards.
Girl, she has beanie cards, some sticker like this. So today we're opening up some for my friend because her birthday is tomorrow. We forgot to give her gift, so we're giving at the end we're gonna make her a gift. Okay, right, guys? That ayun yung plinano namin, guys. So sheesh.
Mupo ka, bro. Mupo ka na.
So
Okay, so
asan good thing mo, be? Wala akong good thing.
that's it. Let's open it.
Latina hands.
So
Yeah, guys, if someone can guess our grade, who can guess our grade? Pag you guess our grade, we're gonna shout you out and pick one dare for us. Shoot or dare. Gagawin namin yun sa next video.
And
Guys, hindi nyo confident. Gagawin namin pagtapos ng video, guys.
mag-comment kayo kung sa tingin niyo
Oh,
kung
gusto
ano
nyo,
dito.
mamaya, gagawa kami ng,
Makikita
wait lang, gagawa kami mamaya ng shoot or dare video. Tapos, pagtapos dito i-post, gagawin namin yung shoot or dare. Alam mo sino nag-edit? Kami lang lahat.
Yes. So, guys, mag-comment kayo kung ano sa tingin niyo yung makukuha namin
Tapos,
dito. Kung sinong makatama,
tapos,
sa-shout out namin.
Yes. Bawal kayo mag-skip pa. Hintayin namin kayo. Okay na, guys. So, we're opening it now.
So,
Ay, di pala. Wait! We forgot the special countdown with the comment section.
yes.
Ay, guys, wag na kayo mo sumunod lang kahit ano sinabi namin. First time lang namin gawin to, so
Yes. Don't be rude.
comment which one we will get.
Yes.
Now we're doing the countdown. 1, 2, 3. Now
four,
comment
four.
below.
So,
Guys, may special guest pala kami para sa inyo.
Yes. Yeah, we have a special guest. My
Hey!
dog! This is my
Chloe.
dog named Chloe. Chloe
She-
Pot.
This is Chloe. She's a girl, guys, okay? Chloe,
It's
let's
not
go.
Okay, so wish me luck. We hope ito yung makuha namin.
Gusto namin yung
The French fries girl. Now let's open it by using it.
Me.
You know,
Guys, paano nyo i-open yung ganito nyo? Pag ganon, pag dito, or random lang. Ako pag dito, kayo guys, dito ako umu-open.
oh, miss random kahit saan. Dito ako.
Dito daw niya in-open.
Dito
Yes,
ako.
kahit saan.
Dito ako.
Open ka guys. Mwah!
So,
Yes, guys,
so
alam nyo.
excited. You know, huwag mo ka makugulo. I'm so excited. Guys, wish us luck. Wait lang, pikit tayo. Habang mamaya, hugutin natin. Wait lang, bubuksan ko lang yung lalakihan.
Ready? Get.
Wait lang.
Nag-pray tayo ng, ano yung gusto natin, ay makukuha namin.
Okay. Sana
Yan guys! Nag-pray na kami. Nagpa-pray to po to. So, let's go. Open it. We're gonna hold it each side. Please. Ano Lian, go hold it here. So, tandaan niyo yung kasama ko lagi mag-dance to TikTok, si Feliz. Actually, lumipat na siya. So, pag bumalik siya, she can be in some of my videos. But for now, me or Lian should in one of my videos. Or minsan, by myself. So, let's open in 3, 2, 1, go!
So, let's close our eyes first.
Wala na guys. Ayun na naka-plastic.
Get.
Oh, so,
What did we get?
milk! Milk! No, wait.
Let me see.
We got the milk, guys. So,
Oh.
bro, what's this one?
Candy.
Wait, correct.
Guys.
We got this. We got this.
correct. Sabi nung milk.
So, we're opening it now.
Milk. Oh, milk. Milk to me.
I don't like it.
Me too. I think we're gonna give it to LeBron. How about you?
Okay na lang.
Kasi
May naglalagos kapatid ko, so bibigay ko to pang laro niya.
no, ganyan no. Okay.
Akin na to. Akin yung first one. So, guys, mag-assemble na kami. Marunong ako mag-assemble na to kayo, guys.
I have some slime in here. And yan, kung nagtataka kayo kung nasaan kami, guys, nasa kwarto po kami, okay?
Guys, naka-aircon pa kami. Lagi ako tumatanong sa higaan.
Yes.
Sorry,
Kung
guys.
wait lang, guys, kung tatanungin nyo kung kaninong kwarto to po to ni Chloe. Kwarto po to ng aso. Ang galing po. Tapos yung higaan niya po, ayun, ang laki po. Ang laki.
Guys, visit lang to. So, pag gusto nyo, guys, anong gusto nyo next gagawin namin? First, pang third time lang namin to. So, kasi wala kang maisip na content.
Yes.
Puro sayo lang kami. Like, I just did 2 videos, each of part of, like, opening like that. So, pag gusto nyo gawin ang content na inyo, just hit the subscribe button, like, comment, and share this video with your friends, and comment what should we do next. Okay? Okay. So, let's, I'm not even finished, guys. Ang cute ng aso niya, bro. Wait lang, guys, wait lang. Using the aso mo,
Chloe! Ba't ka ba nagagalit sa sarili mong mukha? Wait, guys, I gotta get my door because it's so annoying. Are you trying to annoy me?
Hindi na kayo maingay, guys, para hindi kayo. That's my friend. My friends. And guys, Leah is my best friend. She's my best friend. I know her since daycare. Buisit ka.
You know what? Chloe is my guy. God.
Buisit ka. May aso pala sa ako.
Bakit?
Burn. Burn.
Why you crying?
Right on.
Kaya mo na yun, ang dami mo ng ganyan.
Guys, so tingnan yung gawa ko. Wait lang.
Yaan mo na siya na magbubuo. Lagi ka na magbubuo.
Kita niyo kami, guys. Ang laki
Yan na, nasa langit ka ba?
Hindi. Ayun, guys. Ano yung ginawa ko sa screen? Pag nakita nyo, sabihin nyo. Pag gusto nyo na hinta ng cade na kami, so...
Bibili tayo bukas. Pag meron.
Hint.
Guys.
Hint. May period na kaming dalawa. Ay, ako pa lang. Same cade kami ha. Ako pa lang may period. Malapit na daw siya. We need to cut them out. We need to cut them out later, okay?
Did you just say it?
Kakat out ko na lang yun later.
By the way, pupunta na kami langit. Bye-bye.
Fly high. Joke lang, guys. Ayusin ko lang.
Check lang, guys. I just adjust the brightness.
Okay, guys. Kasi yung ibang YouTubers, hindi pinapakita.
It's so, can you
wait,
adjust it?
Hindi na pinapakita. Papatapusin bang magsalita yung
Just adjust it.
Hindi, yung ibang YouTubers, hindi siya sabi, anong ginagamit nila. So, sasabihin ko dito. Kasi kinda ko eh.
By the way,
So, ginagamit ko
Guys,
phone.
may
Kasi
sasabihin po ako
wala naman akong, guys, walang kamay.
Guys, may sasabihin po ako sa inyo. Kung gusto niyo pong mapanood yung treat order na video namin mamaya, just like and subscribe para makita niyo po mamaya.
Nasa channel ko naman eh.
Yes, just like and subscribe.
Guys, nawawala yung isang kamay. So, okay na to. Nawawala yung isang kamay. So, we're finished with that.
Narinig ako ng hukay.
Oh, kinuha ko na yan. Next, guys, we're eating this candy. I don't know what this is, so we're opening
That's
this.
beans. Someone just fly.
My favorite, guys, beans. This is my favorite, actually,
That's
guys.
yes. Ay,
Guys,
wait!
this is my favorite.
Wait! Try natin yung try to eat some candies. So, first nakukuha ako. Pikit tayo. Sana hindi spicy. Spicy yung nakuha mo.
Hindi.
Oh, weird. Ikaw na pikit.
Ang spicy ba?
Hindi ko alam. Ayun.
Okay. Oh, I got
same.
red.
We got the same one. And the brown is orange. But it's
Ah.
okay.
Ay, wala pa spicy, guys. Niloloko lang kayo niyan.
Ha?
Walang spicy.
Meron?
Yeah.
Ba't ibang flavor yan eh?
Okay.
Meron, yung yellow ata spicy yung siguro. Hindi ko sure. Ayan. Hindi ko sure kung spicy. Meron akong alam yung spicy na kain ko eh.
Hindi.
Ay, di
Ay,
pa
spicy
yung...
na, Ben.
Ha?
Spicy.
Spicy yung yellow?
Di malasa kasi ano ba, lagi ako kumakain ng spicy.
Abi,
Kanina-
nagkakain ako ng spicy.
Di ba kanina na kumain
Diba
ako ng spicy?
nagkakain ako ng spicy?
Guys, kasi min ko kay Rian na kumain ako ng spicy, ano ba? Kumain ako ng, cheesy na spicy flavor. So,
Guys, matamis yung na, ano ko, na kanin. Magkapares po kami ng Lebron ng type. Ayaw namin yung candy. Ito gustong-gusto. Ano ba nangyari sa'yo?
guys, I like that. Ang sarap
She
to.
already ate it all. By the way, I have some trash in here.
Mabilis ko pala.
Ito siya yung wala akong rice ito.
Ayan na yung bisita natin. Ayan ulit ah. Pag-roof ka. Roof.
Guys, we will end the video. And
Ay!
wait lang.
Sabi natin gagawa pa tayo ng game.
Mamaya to. And we're gonna do the next video like fit or day. Kasi masyado na yung mahaba. So, yung habang Saturday kami, we're gonna eat the fita. And then, 1, 2, 3. Bye-bye, everyone!